Okay, so let's understand what happens when there are these situations. That is, what situations? If the bases of both triangles are equal or common. If the bases are equal or common. Common है मतलब equal ही है. Only then it will be common. Okay, so if the bases are common or equal, what happens when the bases are equal and common? So I'll say A1 upon A2 equals to, in this case, it will be AB into DE upon AB into CF. AB will cancel, which is DE upon CF, which is H1 upon H2, which is H1 upon H2. Okay, so here, because of the bases being common, it is just, so here it will come as A1 upon A2 equals to H1 upon H2 when the bases are common or equal. When the bases are common or equal. Please write this down. Okay, ratio of two triangles, ratio of areas of two triangles when the bases are common or equal. When the bases of the triangles are common or equal. This is a pretty big chapter. It's going to take us sufficient time. Okay, at least 2 weeks I think we will spend, because this is pretty big, almost 28-29 pages, rather 30 pages for this, for one chapter. Okay, so it's a pretty big chapter. We are not going to rush through it. We are not going to rush through it. 29 pages रहेंगे तब भी, even if it takes us more than a week, doesn't matter. Out of 160, 30 pages are for this one chapter only. Okay, I believe you all have done this. Now let's proceed further.
Yes.
Now what happens, supposing instead of the bases being equal, supposing the heights are equal. What happens when the heights are equal? So
A1 upon A2.
yeah, so ratio of areas of two triangles when the heights are equal or common. When the heights are equal or common, when they have common heights. सर common heights कैसे हो सकता है? Equal height ठीक है, common height कैसे? So let's understand. Let's look at it like this. Let's suppose these are two parallel lines. Okay, let's suppose these are two parallel lines. So this is one triangle. Okay, obviously they'll have the same, between parallel lines the distance is going to be the same. And this is, let's say, another triangle. This distance is going to be the same because the lines are parallel. correct? So H1 and H2 will be the same. So you will have A, B, C, D, and E, and you will have F and G. So you'll see the AF and EG, because they're lying between same parallels, the distance is going to be the same. I'll just show this with a dotted distance so that we understand that these are parallel lines. Okay. So these are parallel lines. So the distance between two parallel lines is always going to be the same. So in this case, now you have common heights. Okay. Or you can also say they are equal heights.
Equal height.
Common heights or equal heights. If the heights are common or equal, then what is going to happen? So we have area of triangle ABC upon ABD. ABC upon ABD. Base in this case is BC. Base in this case is BC into AF. AF. And here it is BD into EG. Okay. Now AF and EG being the same common heights, they'll cancel. So you will have between BC and BD. BC and BD. So this will become B1 upon B2. So A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 when the heights are common or equal. When the heights are common or equal. Okay, so I've got A1 upon A2 equals to B1 upon B2 when the heights are common or equal. When the heights are common or equal. Chalo, finish this fast.
Done, sir.
Good. So what happens now further after this? अगर कोई ट्राइंगल का बेस भी कॉमन है, कोई ट्राइंगल का बेस भी कॉमन है और हाइट भी इक्वल है, that brings us to the step where the base is also common and the height is also equal. Then what happens? Sir, कैसे हो सकता है? कैसे? That I'll show you. I have magic with me. I can do that. So if the heights are also equal and the bases are also equal, then what happens? We'll see that also. And then we are going to do one very important theorem. I don't think we'll do it today, but we'll do that.
BPT.
That is BPT, Basic Proportionality Theorem. Let's see anyways. So what happens when both of them are equal? So supposing in that case, then it would be something like this. A, B, C and B, A, B, C and E, B, C. So base is BC. Here also base is BC. Height is AF and EG. Both are common, AF, EG. And BC and BC is also common. So it is going to be equal to 1. It is going to be equal to 1 because base be common hai ya equal hai, height be common or equal hai. So whatever is that, each is going to get cancelled out. Okay. So here what we will say is, therefore A1 upon A2 equals to 1 or A1 equals to A2. When does this happen? When the bases and heights are equal. When the bases and heights are equal. So you'll have 4 different sets. Okay, when there is nothing common, then you have B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. When B1 is equal to B2, then it is H1 upon H2. When H1 is equal to H2, then it is B1 upon B2. When H1 is equal to H2 and B1 is equal to B2, then it is A1 equal to A2. So copy till here, then we will look at some examples. और यहाँ तक कुछ नहीं समझा है तो प्लीज पूछो. This is about ratios of areas of two triangles. We are not talking of similar triangles yet. These are any and every triangle. These are just two triangles. इसमें कोई similarity, इसमें कोई ये कुछ नहीं है. These are just regular triangles. So let's proceed further then. Can I erase this? I believe all of you have done it. Okay, so this is what we get as ratios of areas of two triangles, and depending on what they have in common or what they not have in common, based on that you will arrive at the, of course you will say, sir ये सब याद रखने की जरूरत क्या है? We can always say it is half base into height upon half base into height, but that will save you some steps. If you know that the bases are common, you can directly say h1 upon h2. You don't have to write and then again cancel. So उतना वक्त अपना बच जाता है, उतने स्टेप्स हमारे कम हो जाते हैं. Okay. So draw this fast. Huh? Now you'll have to be fast. You'll have to do these things parallelly with me because we need to save time also. You have to find area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle APQ. ABC upon APQ. Okay, so this is simple. What is area of triangle
BC
ABC?
BC into
ABC is
AR.
EC into AR upon APQ. APQ.
PQ
So it
into
will
AR.
be PQ, again height is AR and AR will
Cut.
BC upon PQ. This is BC upon PQ. Okay. Anything not understood, please ask. Do not delay. Now is the time to ask, because if you're going to delay it, then you will have problems. Done? Let's look at another example. These are simple examples that I'm taking. Then we'll be doing more also, but let's see them. Draw these triangles, and here we have to find area of triangle
Sir, can you?
LMN. Sorry,
I can't see the board from the right side.
क्यों, क्या हो रहा है?
सर वो शायद आ रहा नहीं है लैपटॉप के रेंज में.
एक मिनट दिखाता हूँ, फिर ऐसे बोलो ना. अब दिख रहा है?
यस सर.
हाँ, चलो करो. LMN upon DMN. That is what you are supposed to do now. Okay. Now in this case, it will be base for LMN. MN is the base. So
LP upon D.
MN into LP upon. What is the base for DMN? Again, MN into DQ. MN into DQ. MN will cancel.
Cut.
So you will have equals to LP upon DQ. LP upon DQ. LP upon DQ. Here it is given M is the midpoint of segment AB and CM is a median. M is the midpoint of segment AB and CM is the median, and CM is the median of triangle ABC. CM is the median of triangle
ABC.
Okay, you have to find out area of triangle AMC upon area of triangle BMC. AMC upon BMC. So what is it? AMC will be AM into height. Okay, height is not given, but we can say it will be H upon BMC. That is, BMC is BM. Again, from this line, there's going to be a common height. Whichever triangle I take, the height is going to be the same, because from a point outside a line to a line, I can draw only one perpendicular. So from this point, there will be only one perpendicular to this line, AB. So whichever triangles are there on this line AB, from vertex C, there is only going to be one H. Okay. Now, it says M is the midpoint. So M is the midpoint. That means AM equals to BM. AM equals to BM, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
AM will be equal to BM because M is the midpoint. So in place of AM, I can say AM into H upon, in place of BM also I can write AM. Reason, since M is the midpoint of AB, therefore AM equals to BM. Since M is the midpoint, therefore AM equals to BM. Okay. Now AM cancels. So this is equal to H will also cancel. So it is equal to 1,
1.
isn't it? That's what we had seen. A1 upon A2 equals to 1 when their areas, when the bases and heights are equal. So till here done. Any
Yes, sir.
doubts? Copy till here. Then we are going to now solve some interesting examples. Okay. I don't think we'll be able to finish too many. I wanted to give you 1.1 for homework, but I don't think आज हो पाएगा. But आज अगर नहीं हो पाता है 1.1, what it means is next class you will have 1.1 plus 1.2 also possibly. I don't know if 1.2 will be able to finish in the next class. BPT के साथ में देखते हैं, अगर होता है तो ठीक है, नहीं होता है तो भी ठीक है. चलो, do with this, then we'll proceed further. BPT है, then we have angle bisector theorem. All of these things will not practically finishing transversal ventral intersects. Yeah. Copy the draw this diagram.
Done, sir.
In the adjoining figure, segment AE is perpendicular to segment BC. Segment AE perpendicular to segment BC. Segment DF perpendicular to line BC. AE equals to 4, DF equals to 6. Find area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC. ABC upon DBC. Find area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC. Okay, so this is the first example that we are seeing today. In the adjoining figure, AE is perpendicular to segment BC and segment DF is perpendicular to line BC. AE equals to 4, DF equals to 6. Find area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC. So area of triangle ABC upon DBC. Area of ABC. ABC will be
BC.
BC into AE upon DBC will be again BC into DF. BC into DF. Okay. BC is going to cancel. In fact, I can directly have written it AE upon DF as they have a common base BC, as they have a common base BC, as they have a common base BC. I can directly write it like this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, what is AE? What is DF? 6. So this is equals to
2 upon 3.
2 upon 3. 2 upon 3. Okay. one more before this logs us out. Log out होने के पहले करते एक और चीज. In triangle ABC, point D is on side BC. In triangle ABC, point D is on side BC, such that DC equals to 6, DC equals to 6, BC equals to 15, BC equals to 15. Find area of triangle ABD is to area of triangle ABC, and area of triangle ABD is to area of triangle ADC. Two things you have to find out. Rather, two ratios we have to find out. Now, they've given us BC is 15. This full thing is 15. And BC is 6. That means this portion is nothing but 9, and this portion is 6. That is what they've given us. तभी जाके वो पूरा 15 होगा. Is that clear? So this is given to us. Now I want to find ABD upon ABC. ABD upon ABC. Now, in both the cases, AP is common, whether it is ABD or whether it is ABC. The height is common. Okay, so it is just the ratio of their bases. So in the first case, it is BD upon BC. Since they have common height, AP. Now, how much is BD? They've already found out, 9. And how much is BC? Upon 15, which is 3 upon 5. 9 upon 15, which is 3 upon 5. Similarly, the second that they have asked us, area of triangles ABD